We have three great people here with us today, and we're going to be talking about one of the hardest things to decide when you first come up with a startup idea. Are you moving towards a hardware solution or a software solution? So we'll start by breaking down into four categories. We have business and markets considerations, financial and revenue considerations, regulatory and compliance, so the legal side of things, and of course, customer support and maintenance. How do you keep this sustained for a long period of time? So let's go down through the line and introduce yourselves, starting with Zach.
Sure. Zach Darnell. I work with SEP, and then we also have an investment arm that we use to invest in early stage companies. So I'm going to play both hats today.
I'm Grant Chapman. I'm one of the founders here at Glassboard. We're a hardware product development firm, so we build things that have physical goods and circuit boards, atoms, a little bit of embedded firmware, but that's your part of the stack there. The top arch bottom of yours.
Very small overlap in the Venn diagram.
Yeah.
And I'm Todd Trimble, lead software engineer at SEP, and probably the flip side of that, software engineer in the title, but I have a lot of experience working with embedded systems and collaborating with hardware companies to provide the software they need.
Awesome. And I'm Max Misher, and let's get right into it.